Welcome to Nix Trains. This is the two-page printout of the low relief railway inn. The railway inn and several other buildings are available in their low relief forms as well as in their entire building forms. So if you're running out of space, or if you wish to make better use of your space in your layout, then low relief structures are of course a better option. So I'm going to build a low relief railway inn in this case because I have limited space in my layout. So the first one is the building itself, the printout of the building itself, and the other one is for the roof templates. Right then, so next thing I'm going to do is cut out these printouts and glue it onto the serial cards. Here the red lines mark the areas which has to be cut out, and the black ones are just to be folded around. The red ones have to be cut out and the black ones have to be folded. Relatively simple. Now folding the structures using a blunt edge scale. So now this is the main low relief structure of the railway inn. The bits which are supposed to go in, they are in now. And so yeah, this is the structure of the building, the front side and the sides starting to take shape. Now I'm just going to put glue where as necessary. You can see the structure is starting to come up. Probably I'm gonna have to trim these roof edges because it's a bit too long. The chimney, I will have to roll the pods, gluing up the bits. Now all I'm going to do is run in a bit of sketch pens as necessary, the relevant color. I'm going to do the same thing all over the edges. And this is what it looks like with all the bits done. Thank you for watching Nix Trains. Please share with people who might like, appreciate and enjoy trains. Comment and subscribe.